Good day. Today I want to just show you how to add a header to WordPress using Cwicly on version 6.3.1 of WordPress. So first I'm just going to take you to the Cwicly website. You'll see here it's cwicly.com. Alright. I like this this page builder. It's the best for blocks. What I like about it is it's got advanced custom fields built into it, and I've worked on a lot of websites where advanced custom fields was their main setup for websites. And what's nice is it's only €49 a year and you get 3 websites. And the team at Cwicly are quite fast with responding, and they really try their best. And they've also got quite a bit of documentation. So I'm going to take us through the documentation on setting up a menu, okay? And because I haven't really looked if they've got anything about setting up a header, but I don't think so. But on the menu, that's what I mostly want to do, is add a menu. And so you can see here it says menu. The menu block contains a clickable list of items separated by empty space. The menu items all have the same color, okay? And it says the menu contains main menu items that can also contain a submenu with submenu items. Alright, and then it says in order to use the menu block you need to set up a menu from the dashboard. Okay, and then it goes through here and it shows you how to add a menu block. Alright, and so what I've done is I think I went and I clicked on this menu, and then it took me here, and then this describes how to create a menu. Okay, and it says we want the menu block and the CTA to be in the same container. With the header section selected, let's add another div. So you enlarge this image and you can see Cwicly's got this div over here, and so we're going to go there, and you can see here on the right it's showing a header option. Okay, so now I'm going to go to my website, and so this is my website. I've logged into the dashboard. What's happened is I've got appearance under themes. You can see I'm using the Cwicly theme, okay, and then plugins. Under the installed plugins, I only have Cwicly and WooCommerce, okay. So for this one, what we're going to do is we're going to go to appearance, and I'm going to go to editor, okay. And this brings up the new 6.3.1 layout. You can see here we've got a navigation, a styles, a pages, a templates, and a patterns. And you'll find that the header block is under patterns. So you click on patterns, and then here's the header. And as you can see at the moment, I've got an empty header. So I'm going to click on this empty header. I'm going to click on this edit option over here, and you can see I've got nothing in here. Alright, so I like to work with this list view. It's really helpful, and the other nice thing is being able to see the styles. So let's just, okay, so it's got that and then this. Okay, so I'm going to close that down for now, but this list view is important. So what you do is you click on div, and that's what the documentation had suggested to us. So when we switch back to this, you can see there it said click on div, and so now we've got this div section in our thing. And then it says with the div selected, add a Cwicly menu to the div using search bar in the block inserter, or scroll through and find it. So what happens is you click on there. This is step 1. Step 2 is you type in menu, and step 3 the menu option with this little Cwicly icon. all these icons that have got this means it's a Cwicly option, and all these other ones are standard WordPress blocks. So let me switch back to my website. Here I am. You can see I've got the div selected here, and it's also there. I click on this add the block, and you can see I can't, there's the menu because I've obviously searched it recently. But if I didn't and I couldn't see it there, I would just type in menu, and then I click on menu here. And as you can see, it comes up and it shows it's added a menu over here. Let me try and see if I can select a menu. I don't think I can. I've not created a menu. So in order to have a menu, you've got to create a menu. And so it obviously loads up here on the side. And I can just say Cwicly header menu. Okay. And I can choose what I want. So I'm going to take these other pages out. Oh, actually, yeah, I damaged the pages by removing their titles. So let me rather just leave them all in. 71, 91, view all. 45 is my front page. Okay. All right. So if I click on here, I can change the name, and I can say home. All right. So then that changes that. I don't know what page 71 is, so I'm just gonna call it sample 1. Okay. And then here I'm gonna just call this sample 2. Okay, and so basically this would then create one bar all the way across the top. And so whenever it comes to WooCommerce, what I normally do is I create a custom links. I just push a hashtag here, and then I just call it shop. Okay, I say add to menu, and then on my shop, then I've got or let me call it something else because there is a shop already. Shopping menu. Okay, and then here's a shop, so I would just drag it and add it to the bottom over here, there, so that it can go to the right. So what it'll do is it'll create a sub menu, because you see there it says sub item, and so I drag the my account also. I would just have it there. The checkout process, shop, checkout, and the cart. So that's what I want. My account, shop, cart. Okay. I'm going to remove the all. Let me leave these templates. I'm going to make sample 1 go under there. Cwicly products page. I think that I would like that to be under my shop. Okay. And then for templates, I'm going to just put it all under this here. So okay, and then I've got my save my menu. I'm going to click on create. Okay, and make sure I save the menu. So the menu is now saved, and it's obviously going to have all these options. So when I go back to the editor, I might find that it's lost because it actually isn't, because it opened a new window, which is quite good. So let's do a refresh. Okay, wait, hold on, let's do a save rather. Yeah, save. Okay, then we've got menu, and you can see here. So what I did was I enabled this, and I go to menu, and I can click on Cwicly menu, and there it is. It's got all my menu options added. Okay, and then you can obviously decide, okay, I want to go to the design. I don't like the way that it's laid out, and so here's sizing or margins and padding. And I think for menu items there's normally like a spacing between. So yeah, okay, let's just try padding. we say 10, and it's linked all the way around, and we click on save. Okay, so this would be our menu. I just want to preview it. So go out. Let's go out. Okay, pages, all pages. Quick edit. No, I don't want that. I just want to view that page. Okay, so it still doesn't have my menu or my header. Let me just go and have a look at pages, all pages. Click on edit and see what template part is it using. So if I click on here, it shows me that it's using the default template. Oh, now it's changed to the index template. Okay, so let me just say select my menu. Cwicly. Okay, let's go update. Let's go preview. Okay, and there I've got it added with all the menus, and you can see all the plus things are just showing extra menu options. Okay, those are the sub menus that we created. Yeah, and so I haven't customized or made my menu look any fancy, but the way that you would do that is go back to this editor, go back to patterns, go back to the header part, and then customize it here, and then you would make sure that it's added to your templates. So let's have a look at templates, and there's our index. Okay, now index is showing that it's got a page over here. So it's running a bit slow. Looks like there's a menu option at the back there. So I'm going to just go back to index. Okay, I'm back at the index, and if I click on header, it's showing me the header. Okay, taking me to all template parts. Okay, I don't need any of that. Okay, so the whole idea is that when we go to our editor and look at template parts, at templates, we just need to make sure that we've got our header and our footer specified over here, because it shows you what areas there are. Okay, yeah, and so that is. It should allow us. Okay, so there is my template, and it shows me that my area, I've got my header and my footer section. Okay, so now if I go out and I want to have a look at that page, I can go to all pages, go to view this page, and there's my menu. Okay, it's not looking very fancy, but I think that you can customize it to suit your needs. I just wanted to show you how to add a menu in Cwicly, using Cwicly. Thank you for watching. Yeah, all the best. Goodbye.